You are watching Kiddoz World TV.
Hi kids, welcome to Kiddoz World TV. Today, we're learning about amazing birds. Let's explore their colors, sounds, and fun facts together. Let's go! Parrot. Parrots are green birds with a red beak. They love to eat fruits like guavas and can mimic sounds, including human voices. Robin. Robins are small birds with a reddish-orange chest. They sing beautiful songs and love finding worms to eat. Cardinal. The cardinal is a bright red bird with a pointy crest. Males are red, while females are brownish red. They sing cheerful tunes. Wren. Wrens are tiny birds with brown feathers and a big voice. They love hiding in bushes and singing loud, sweet songs. Sparrow. Sparrows are small, brown birds with white and black markings. They're friendly and can be found chirping in gardens and parks. Peacock. Peacocks are famous for their colorful, fan-like tails. Did you know they shake their tails to show off and attract attention? Owl. Owls are nighttime hunters with big eyes and quiet wings. They can turn their heads almost all the way around. Penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that love cold places. They waddle on land but swim very fast in water. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are tiny, colorful birds that can hover like a helicopter. They love drinking nectar from flowers. Eagle. Eagles are strong and powerful birds. They soar high in the sky and use their sharp eyes to spot food from far away. Flamingo. Flamingos are pink birds with long legs and long necks. Did you know they are born gray? Their feathers turn pink as they grow because of the shrimp and algae they eat. Toucan. Toucans have bright, colorful beaks. They live in rainforests and love eating fruits. Their beaks look heavy but are very light. Wow! Birds are so amazing with so many colors and sounds. Which bird did you like the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kiddoz World TV for more fun learning. See you next time!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kiddoz World TV. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!